Yeah, hello and a warm welcome. This video shows you how to generate randomized single choice Moodle questions with the help of Excel. Yeah, warm welcome. My name is Joe Fensterle, Professor of Biotechnology at the Rhine-Waal University in Kleve, and doing my exams, assessments, and so on with Moodle. I have an intro video explaining a bit what is it all about and showing you what question types I have. In this case, it's about single choice questions. The more precise video is the video on the assign questions type question, where I explain it more thoroughly. So here the explanation might be a quite bit quicker. So you might want to refer to the other one. First of all, I want to show you what to expect here. So this sheets will generate this type of questions. So you can have an introductory text and then what belongs to the characteristics of the dog, their long legs, their red legs, red beaks. I would say I should read the not thoroughly. Their long legs is certainly not the thing you want to have as a characteristic of the duck. As chickens, ducks invest in CDOs, watch Modern Family, all of the other responses are correct, are Amazon Prime members, but they certainly lay eggs, and the ducktail in different species. In the picture, it is depicted in B. Okay, so, and then I check and hopefully I have my responses correct. That's it. Yeah, these are single choice questions, and the Excel sheet will generate that. You will see that in a second. By the way, I hardly use single choice questions, so this is also, you will see my least developed Excel sheet. I might work over this version into a more sophisticated version. However, at that point, that's the status. And here we go. And I want to just briefly explain how that looks like. Link to the Excel sheet and all the other Excel sheet in the description on GitHub. You find then everything. Yeah, so let's directly dive into the sheet. This is how it looks like. So you see, as for the other type of questions, I have my intro text, and then I have my questions, the correct answer, and the additional choices. So you see that the single choice, the intro text, this is the same as for all the others. You might include an image, you might include HTML documents, but at the end, text which makes things appear better. Please answer the following question with respect to ducks. One response per is correct. And sometimes text might refer to the following picture. Again, also the pictures can be used in a randomized way. So you have this random matrix, and there are the picture. Again, this is explained in more detail in the video for the assign type questions. So I have 3 different pictures, 3 different versions with different elements which are assigned in a different way. And this is included here. And then I have my questions. And the question 1 is, where would you primarily look out for ducks? Correct is only on lakes. And these are the additional choices, what you can just put here one after the other. And you might also include then comments. As you see for the last question, a comment is included. You just put one hashtag and then you put the correct one. And then this is included as a comment. You can also, of course, then refer to the elements from the random matrix. So here the ducktail differs in different species. In the picture, it is depicted in this case 4, and let's look up what 4 is. So in picture 1 it is B, in picture 2 it is small b, and in picture 3 it is h. So this will then be replaced accordingly. Again, I refer to the video on assign, how to use that in more detail. Yeah, this is very simple. So you just put in the question, you put in the correct response and the additional choices, and that's it. Then you can also, as for the others, have different categories. So category 1, category 2, category 3 in this case. And as you see, this is the old version. I was too lazy to overwork it because the new version of the single choice will be completely different. But this might still take a while as I use rarely these questions. So then I have for category 1, I draw 1, category 2, I draw 1, and category 3, I draw 1. The select copy HTML is also reminiscent from old version. Then I just put the number of outputs, so how much I want to generate. I want to generate 4 Moodle questions. I have the number of substitute matrices in use. Remember, I have 3 pictures, so here I put 3. If I don't have that, I put 0. I can put the feedback penalty if I have multiple questions. This hidden is not important. This ID number is also not important. I can add hints, and I could show, I can here have additional text. This is not included in the others, so just forget it. This will also be eliminated in the final versions. So I need to put the file name and the question name and of course the path, and I do the same as before. I just click on Generate Moodle Quiz. Then I go to Moodle. I select Import as an XML. And here's my file, DAX single, just generated. I drag and drop it. Import it. And here we are. And I have then generated 4 different questions. Preview. This is what you already have seen before. So this is the version 1. This is, and as you see that I have 3 different ones. Of course, I can also generate a single response here, first pool. I can omit the pictures and so on. So this is what you can do. And I already did the quiz before. Believe me, I know something about at least what I have drawn here about the DAX I can do. So you see that this is a very quick and straightforward way to generate the single choice questions. Again, I don't use them very often, therefore this macro is certainly the least developed. And this might change in the future. However, still, these are question types which are in use. You might also use them. So feel free to use that for generating your single choice questions and pools of questions in a randomized manner. So that's what I wanted to say. And again, the link to the Excel sheets is to the GitHub repository is in the description. And then I wish you a lot of fun generating your new single choice questions. Have fun and goodbye.